What if 10 simple car accessories could make your vehicle much cleaner, safer, and more organized and far more convenient every single day? From smart safety upgrades to surprisingly useful gadgets, these are 10 must-have car accessories that can completely transform your driving experience in 2026. Number 10. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Dust has a way of collecting in the most annoying places inside a car. Air vents, cup holders, dashboard seams, and tiny storage compartments can be so difficult to clean with regular tools. That's where the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel comes in. This reusable cleaning putty easily presses into narrow gaps and lifts away dirt, dust particles, and crumbs in seconds. What you have to do is simply push it into hard-to-reach areas and peel it away, or reveal a cleaner surface underneath. Unlike bulky brushes, it can adapt almost any shape. It's also useful other than your vehicle. It can also work on keyboards, remotes, and other electronics. Small, affordable, and surprise equals zingly effective. This car accessory makes interior detailing much easier. Number 9. FASTAGEI Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer. Almost everyone has dropped something between the seat and center console. Phones disappear, keys vanish, coins seem impossible to retrieve. The FASTAGEI Car Seat Gap Filler Organizer solves that problem while adding valuable storage space. It slides directly into the gap between your seat and console, creating a convenient pocket for everyday essentials. The design includes openings for charging cables, helping keep cords neat and organized. Built from durable PU leather with a soft interior structure, it looks factory installed in many vehicles. Installation takes only seconds and requires no tools. Better yet, it moves with the seat during adjustments. It's a simple upgrade that instantly improves organization and convenience. Number 8. Macally MCUPTRAY. When commuting long distances or taking road trips, your car can become your office, dining area, or entertainment area. The Macally MCUPTRAY is intended to make that experience much more pleasant. This ingenious device attaches to most standard cup holders and then transforms into a firm 9-inch tabletop. It is an excellent space-saving tool for eating lunch while waiting to be refueled, storing small items, or viewing videos on your cell phone. The adjustable arm and 360-degree rotation allow for precise tray positioning. The built-in padded phone dock ensures secure and visible phone operation. Simple, practical, and surprisingly versatile, it's a major convenience upgrade for everyday driving. Number 7. Crazytree Retractable Car Charger. Few things are more frustrating than a car full of tangles charging cables. The Crazytree Retractable Car Charger is here to fix that by providing fast charging for several devices simultaneously. It fits in easily, and it retracts on its own with a USB-C port and USB-A output to keep clutter to a minimum and eliminate the need for excess adapters. The cable can be extended when necessary and retracted when not, so helping you to keep your center console organized. Its adjustable 180-degree plug provides a secure fit even on rough roads. Whether you are charging your phone, tablet, handheld gaming device, or other electronics, this charging handles every job effortlessly. It's just a simple but smart upgrade that makes every try more convenient. Number 6. Hypersonic Blind Spot Mirror HP2833. Even experienced drivers can struggle with blind spots. The Hypersonic Blind Spot Mirror provides a simple yet affordable solution that instantly can improve visibility. The compact mirror can attach directly to your already existing mirror by using strong automotive-grade adhesive. Once installed, they provide a wider viewing angle that helps to reveal vehicles, motorcycles, cyclists, and obstacles that might otherwise go unnoticed. Its adjustable design allows you to fine-tune key viewing position for your driving style and vehicle setup. They are particularly useful during lane changes, reversing and parking in tight spaces. While they don't replace safe driving habits, they add just an extra layer of awareness that can help make daily driving safer and easier. Number 5. Fanttik P10 Pro Mini Car Buffer. Polisher professional detailing often requires precision, especially when working around mirrors, badges, trim pieces, and door handlers. That's exactly where the Fanttik P10 Pro Mini Polisher shines. It weighs less than a pound. This compact tool gives you better control in areas where full-size polishers can feel bulky and awkward. Its planetary gear system delivers a smooth and consistent performance by keeping noise levels surprisingly low. The built-in 400 mAh battery provides up to 50 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for spot corrections and detailing work. Quick change baking plates allow fast accessory swaps between polishing, sanding, and cleaning tasks. It's a premium tool that helps to deliver professional looking results with less effort. Number 4. AMVIA car. Jack kit 2-ton. Flat tires tend to occur when they least are expected and when you're least prepared. AMVIA 2-ton. Car jack kit is engineered to assist you in taking care of that situation flawlessly. Instead of spade tools, this kit combines everything needed into one organized package. Inside, you will get a scissor jack, telescopic lug wrench, tire pressure gauge, gloves, rechargeable headlamp, and a durable storage bag. The headlamp comes included and can be incredibly helpful during a nighttime emergency when visibility is limited. This jack can support up to 4,400 pounds of weight and is suitable for many cars, SUVs, and crossovers. It's compact, convenient, and hassle-free to store, which makes it a must-have for any driver's trunk. Number 3. Fanttik Slim Fi 10 Apex Cordless Car Vacuum. Key features: 1. High speed, 15 minutes. Low speed, 30 minutes. This car vacuum is compact, which is not suitable for cleaning large areas. It is suitable for cleaning the details of the car interior, as well as indoor detail cleaning, office desk, and computer keyboard dust. 2. HD Smart Digital Display displays the Slim V10 Apex vacuum's real-time status with clear visuals. Battery levels are shown with a ring LED, while H/L indicates high or low modes. The evenly lit screen offers an enhanced visual experience. 3. 4-in-1 multifunction car vacuum combines vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and deflating in one device to meet various needs. Cleans car dust and computer debris, inflates swim rings, and vacuum storage bags for versatile use. Number 2. Redtiger F7 NA Dash Cam. A dash cam isn't just a gadget anymore. Many commuters and drivers make it a standard safety layer for their car. Redtiger F7N Touch Dash Cam offers 4K ultra clear recording in front and 1080p recording in rear. It features wide-angle lenses to capture more of the road and advanced night vision technology to help you see more at night. Built-in GPS records speed and route information, adding valuable context to your footage. Voice controls and sensitive touchscreen simplify operation and reduce distractions. The system can also be used to monitor parking and log incidents automatically with the built-in G sensor. Whether for security, insurance claims, or peace of mind, this dash cam delivers impressive capability. Number 1. AstroAI Air Compressor. There's nothing worse than a flat tire during a trip miles from any friend that could help. The AstroAI Air Compressor has taken the first place in this list for this reason. This small inflator is connected directly to your vehicle's power point and inflates your tires rapidly if necessary. It features a digital readout that offers precise readings and an addition of multiple pressure units for convenience. Just set the desired setting, start the inflation process, and the compressor stops when you reach the desired pressure. Built-in LED light for better usability during emergencies at night can also inflate bicycles, sports equipment, or other inflatables with included adapters. It's useful, practical, and reliable, and a necessity for all drivers. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech compilation videos. See you in next one.